For our next experiment, you will need 3 bowls, an apple, you will need a knife to cut the apple. You can take the help of your parents for this. You will also need some water and vinegar. So shall we begin? We first have to cut the apple into small pieces. Be very careful when cutting the apple. Make sure your parents are with you. You will need a minimum of 3 slices. So 3 slices we have. Now I am placing 1 in each bowl. So we all know what happens when you place an apple. When you leave it on the table and come back after few minutes, you see it turns brown. So what I am going to do is, this is bowl A and I am not adding anything else to it. In bowl B, I am adding water. And finally in the third bowl, I am adding water and vinegar. So I have added a mixture of vinegar and water. So keep this aside for some time, maybe 10 minutes, and then let us see what happens. So after some time, if you observe, can you see in bowl A, it is brown. The apple has become brown without anything, because the air, the bacteria in the air affects the surface of the apple. Now in bowl B, there is water. Here also the apple has become brown, but it is not as brown as apple A. And finally in bowl C, where we have a mixture of water and vinegar, can you see the apple is still fresh? This is because vinegar contains acetic acid. This acid doesn't allow the bacteria to affect the surface of the apple. So in bowl A, we have the apple alone, there is nothing else, so it turned brown. In bowl B, we added water, and so it is not as brown as bowl A. And finally, when we added a mixture of vinegar and water, the apple stayed fresh. So I hope you enjoyed this experiment.